one of the things that I remember vividly about him is that he would be reading and he would do what people are told not to do. He would pronounce every word as he read, so that he read slowly, and there was a constant audible output, So, and he was left-handed, and he wrote in a way that I think is unique. He would put the pen into these two fingers of his left hand, and he would write in a way that you could read what he had written. It was as if it was engraved. It was very, very meticulous in his penmanship. And of course, when he wrote, he would constantly revise, so that after a spell of writing, he would have a stack of rejected versions. And he was so meticulous that I remember one time when I was somewhat older, we would have a ritual way of going to send a poem to a publication. And so we would walk to the letterbox, and he would deposit the poem, with a kind of a unspoken prayer that it would be successful. And there is this story. He had sent the poem off, and in thinking about one of the lines, he decided that it was wrong. So he was so anxious about that he sent a telegram. They didn't use the phone in that way, the way they do now, asking for the correction. And the telegram cost him much more than the fee that he would get for the poem.